Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let's look at this beautiful exponential equation, and it reads that if x raised to 2 equals x minus 1 all in bracket raised to 2, we have to find the value of x. Please, if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's go on. Alright, so in this case now, I have two methods or two approach to deal with this. Okay, now the first one is just expand the bracket, and that will give us x squared equals, expanding the bracket, you have x squared minus 2x then plus 1. Okay, and since we have x squared here and x squared here, we can just eliminate. Okay, or we can just add x squared to both sides, and that we eliminate this. Okay, so then here we are left with 0 equals negative 2x plus 1. So we can actually write this as when we bring negative 2x to the left hand side, we have 2x equals 1. Then dividing both sides by 2, we have 1 all over 2. Now the next approach is x squared. Now bringing the whole of this expression over to the right hand side, to the left hand side, we have x minus 1 raised to 2 equals 0. Now looking at this is similar to a squared minus b squared, which is the difference of 2 squared, which can also be a plus b into a minus b. Now applying this rule here, we have x then plus the whole of this x minus 1 then into x then minus x minus 1 equals 0. Now the whole of this is invalid because x minus x will give us 0. We are left with what? 1. And we are now left with the whole of this equals 0. So we have 2x minus 1 equals 0 because x plus x will give us what? 2x. Now adding 1 to both sides, we have 2x equals 1. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2, then x equals 1 all over 2. So which of this method do you prefer? Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.